About this item: powerful chip. Using an upgraded high-performance chip, it can achieve better compatibility and avoid signal interference and keep the picture clear without ghosting and distortion. The performance is more stable and reliable. High-resolution support. Input interface, using the latest USB 3.1 Type-C interface. Display output port, external high-definition DVI equipment such as monitor, projector, TV with high-definition equipment. The video resolution is up to 1080p at 60 Hz frame rate, and supports 1920*1080p high-definition resolution, showing you clear details. Note: some Type-Cs without DP alt mode will not be compatible with this cable. Superior compatibility. Our USB Type-C to DVI cable supports operating systems, Windows, Mac OS X, Android, Linux. Compatible devices with USB-C source interface: MacBook Pro 2019/2018/2017, iMac 2019/2018, MacBook 2017/2016, Samsung Notebook Odyssey, Galaxy Book, Surface Book 2, Surface Go, HP Envy 13, Pixel Book, Asus ROG GL/G5/G7/GX/Strix, ZenBook Pro UX501VW, Transformer 3 Pro, Google Chromebook, HP Pavilion X2, Dell XPS 13/15, Galaxy S22 Ultra/S22 Plus/S22/S21 Ultra/21/Z Flip 3/Note 20 Ultra, etc. Hot plug support. This USB-C to D